To order my tutorial on the following predictions for Bitcoin price from the 22nd of October through to the 13th of November, then click on my link tree where you'll find the order info at the top, or you can just email me for the Bitcoin tutorial. I'm going to also show you how each of the transits affects your life based on where your ascendant, or as we call it, lagna, is placed. On Sunday, the 23rd of October, Saturn is going to turn direct in the sign of Capricorn. And I see that this is going to create a situation where Bitcoin price starts to go up. And this is going to be because of the kind of macro context of the existing financial system worldwide being in a stalemate situation in which they must absorb Bitcoin in order to survive. Now, in your own lives, this is going to relate to you being able to go forward in a more sustainable and grounded way with whatever you've been working really hard on, or the hardest on, for the past several months. On Tuesday, the 25th of October, we have the new moon solar eclipse in the sign of Libra with Ketu. I see that we're going to still be carried forward by the Saturnian context, which is going to create a further price gain for Bitcoin. Now, that's going to be because of the general macro context of international trade and how international policy is absorbing Bitcoin into it. Now, in your own lives, this moment is going to deal with a reframing of whatever theme in your own life you have been trying to seek a new balance in going forward. On Sunday, the 30th of October, Mars is turning retrograde at the beginning of the sign of Gemini, heading back into the sign of Taurus. What I see is that this is definitely going to further intensify a price gain for Bitcoin. And that's related to a type of financial arms race in the macro context that, whether the general public sees it or not, is going to actually involve Bitcoin. Now, in your own lives, this transit deals with you revisiting the thing that you have been most desiring in your life as of late, but with a new understanding of how to attain it, or of what version of that you really want for yourself, based on what's the healthiest and what's the best for you. On Friday, the 11th of November, Venus enters into the sign of Scorpio, and I see that this should push Bitcoin price higher still. And that's because of what Venus means for the Bitcoin natal chart. Stay tuned for the next set of predictions that will begin on the 13th of November. And if you're interested, then consider ordering my tutorials.